Hey guys, this is just the fourth Unix or Linux commands tutorial. We'll be going over pipes, grep, and the sort commands. So I'm using Kali Linux today. I'm going to click on the terminal, the terminal emulator to get started. So pipes are they're used to run two commands consecutively. The symbol, so the programming symbol OR, just one OR. So kind of like a bitwise OR, it's used to denote a pipe. So that's the shift forward slash, I believe. It's under the backspace character, such as shift, and that will give you the OR symbol. So pretty much we will do some examples. So we're going to create a file. So let's create a file with some some data inside. So we'll just call it fruits. Okay, so we'll create a file. So we'll say vi. Let's just create it like that. So we'll start with just creating this file. Let's put some data in this file. So we can do that with so to get into insert mode, we press I once again. Once we're in the VI editor, and we'll just add some different fruits. So we'll just say, like, we have an apple, an orange, a pear, a plum, banana. I don't know, is that how you spell it? One N. Hopefully it's correct. We have grapes. Let's say we have what else? Mango, coconut. What else we have? Melon, watermelon, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. Any other good ones? Just trying to think off the top of my head. Let's just say cherries. I guess some are plural and some are not. That's alright. Doesn't really matter. That should be good. So we have a bunch of fruits. So now let's save this. So I'll get into command mode by clicking escape. Shift WQ to save it. So that's just going to be in our home directory. So I typed in ls to check where it is. So what we can do is we can go cat fruits, and that's just going to pull up the data for us. Actually, we're going to need some more fruits for this because we want the list to be bigger than the page. So I'll go to ls and I'll say vi fruits. I'll hit I to insert. I'll hit I to get into insert mode. So once again, we click on escape to get into command mode when you're in the VI editor, and we click on I to get into insert mode. So once we do that, we'll just add some more fruits. So let us add, what else can we add? Whoops, sorry, I just hit the mic. So, what other fruits are there? Apple, orange, grapes. Maybe we can add some lemons. Is that a fruit? I guess it is a fruit. Grapefruit. Papaya. What else we have? We can just add vegetables too, why not? I guess tomato is a fruit technically, but that's okay. So we'll have tomato, celery, spinach, lettuce, onion, purple onion, red onion, cucumber, spinach, lettuce, beans, some kind of beans, corn. What else we got? Let's see, berries. Any other vegetables? Anything else at all? I could just say like cherry tomato or something. So cherry tomato, what else we have? We have beans, spinach, peppers, I guess. Peppers, chili peppers. Okay, so that should be good now, so I'll click escape to get into command mode. Shift WQ to save it. So we have it in our home directory. So now what we can do is when we hit cat, so when we go cat fruits, we can see that the text just kind of slides. It starts at the bottom, right? The text, our whole list starts at the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to try to kind of set that data to the top so we can scroll down. So we can use a pipe to do that. And the less command, so we can go cat fruits pipe. Then we'll say less. So now if I hit the down arrow, it lets me, it doesn't make the text go below the first page, so it sets the text to stop after the first page and lets you scroll down with the arrow keys on the keyboard. So the arrow keys on the keyboard allow us, so the down arrow allows me to just tap it once and it goes to the next line, the new line. Excuse me. So then now we have that. What else we can do? So we can use up arrow and the down arrow to scroll through the list or through the data. So we can also use the pg and more commands. So cat file name pipe pg. And we can use the cat file name, cat space file name, cat space file name space pipe space more. Those are extra commands to help us work with the list. So what else we can do is we can use the grep command, grep. Try to get out of this, okay. So now it's kind of stuck in this part. I'm trying to get out. There we go. Okay, so what we can do is we can say, so with grep, we're going to need the pipes once again. So we're going to need to use the pipe. We're going to need to use a pipe with the grep command. So we're going to say, actually, so I'll just go over what grep does. So grep scans a document. It presents the result in a format you want, so it can scan and basically grab something. So we can go like, so the format is grep space and then the search string. So grep space and then the string you're searching for. So let's just see an example of that. We can go cat space fruits again. So we can go cat space fruits and then search for something in the list. So we can go, so here I can type cat fruits. I can go pipe grep. Let's just say we want the apple. Then it has found, I guess it has found us our apple, so let's just go man grep. So again, the man command pulls up the manual or like the docs for the function. So we have grep, different names here. So it prints lines that match patterns. So grep searches for patterns in each file. Patterns is one or more patterns separated by new line characters, and grep prints each line that matches a pattern. Typically, pattern should be coded when grep is used in a shell command. A file of the hyphen, stands for standard input. If no file is given, recursive searches examine the working directory. Okay, so that's fine. In addition, the variant programs egrep, fgrep, rgrep are the same as grep space dash e, grep space dash f, and grep space dash r respectively, so it's the same thing. So some of them might be depreciated or deprecated. So just check which ones work and which not. You may have to play around with it. So basically, I guess so we can obtain so we can use these different grep dash e, grep dash f, grep dash I. Okay, so we're gonna go over some of these. Not all of them, obviously. There's a lot of them. So there's tons of stuff you can do with grep. This goes on and on and on. More than on and on. There's a lot of commands here. So that's the end of the file, I guess. So there you go. If you guys want more information on grep, you can try to follow these docs and play around with it. The descriptions aren't too good, I'll say. So you guys, but these are, you can connect these with the grep. So you go grep space dash r, capital R, grep space dash D or something. So you can play around with it. So I'll just hit Q to exit that. So I was kind of looking for it to explain why it prints it out. But I believe that it returns the name if it finds it, I believe. Like if we go cat fruits pipe grep meat. So we didn't find meat in our list, so I guess it didn't return it. So if it doesn't find the string, it doesn't return anything. If it does, it returns the string found I guess. So again, we can go like cat fruits pipe grep corn, then it's going to return corn because we have corn. We can just do one more cat fruits pipe grep plum. And we have plum, so return plum. But if we don't have cat fruits pipe grep chicken, we didn't have chicken, so it didn't return it. So that's a way to kind of search some kind of file database or something for a string. That's pretty much the basis of grep. So grep has different extensions. So again, we in the man file we have shown some, or all of them, but we have, so here I have some. So grep space dash v shows all the lines that do not match the searched string. So I guess if you, so it could print out everything that you didn't search for, pretty much. Grep dash, so grep space dash c displays only the count of matching lines. So it'll tell you how many times it was found, I guess. How many lines was found with the string in it. So it'll count it for you, how many, displays the count of matching lines in the file. Next one is grep space dash n, shows the matching line and its number. Then we have grep space dash I, match both upper and lower case. And grep space dash L shows just the name of the file with the string. So let's go let's try this again. So we'll go cat fruits space grep dash b apple. So if we go up, as you can see, it printed all the whole printed all the data, or the whole list, without the string apple. So that's what we were hoping for. And can we triple pipe this? So let's try it. So let's go cat fruits pipe grep dash v apple less pipe less. Okay, it works. So yeah, we triple piped it, so that lets you, that's a triple pipe, so you can continue to run commands in the same command. So it's kind of confusing. You just have to play around with it, though. As with any like programming language or shell or anything, just play around with the commands, see what you can do with it, see what you can't. So just test it out. So that let us do the same thing with. Now I'm stuck in here. That's the crappy thing. :WQ. Escape. Get me into escape. Press return. W. Okay. I thought it was escape to exit. Okay, Q. Sorry, it's Q to exit. I think that's what happened last time in the other video, when I went cat greater than. So it's Q to escape. So if you're wondering about that, I think it's Q to escape out of the, when you create a file with cat, or so if you go cat space greater than. We could just test that right now. Hopefully it is. So we go cat greater. It was cat greater than test cat file. Nope. Not the same. Great, now it's stuck, okay. Q, no. LS. Yeah, it did that last time too. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not Q. It's not letting me get into. Okay, wait, let's try that. Nope. That's alright, so let's just. There must be some other command to get out of that silly thing. So that's alright, so we'll just continue with grep. So we triple piped it. What else we can do? So we can display only the count of matching lines. So we can go cat fruits pipe grep dash C hyphen C space what do we want to search for? Let's just go plum. So plum was found one time, or it was found the count of the matching lines was 1 for this command. So it helped us. What we did is we searched the file for the plum string, and it's telling us that it found it on one line. So if that whole line ran across, maybe if it had it multiple times on one line, it would tell us it was only found on one line. So that's what it does. So now we can go shows the matching line and its number. So that's so we can do that with dash n hyphen n. So we can go cat space fruits pipe grep, then go dash n melon, I think I accidentally hit something after that, so let's try that again. So we'll go cat fruits, so cat fruits pipe grep dash n melon. Okay, so it's saying it found melon. So what that command does is it shows the matching line and its number. So it's saying, okay, we found melon on line 9 in melon, and we also found melon. So the shell is telling you that it found melon on line 9, and it also found melon on line 10 in watermelon. So what else can we do here? We have so we have we can go dash L. I think that's an L. I can't see what I have in my notes. Apologize. I think it's an L. So we'll go. We can go cat space fruits pipe grep. So cat fruits pipe grep. Then we go dash L. We can go I can't remember if I pluraled some, so I'll just go apple. So it shows the name of the file with the string. I don't think that's a L. Is that a L? Okay, did I type in L? Standard input. It couldn't be capital I, could it? So we'll go cat. So cat fruits pipe grep dash capital I apple. Oh, messed it up. Apologize. So we'll go cat fruits pipe grep dash I apple. No, it's telling us. Unless this command is deprecated. It could be that. It's supposed to show the name of the file with the string. So I don't unless it's a T. So let's go cat fruits pipe grep dash T apple. Nope. Grep. Let's go man grep again. Just to see what so we're looking for an L here. L. So which ones did we do? We did dash V dash C dash N dash I. So these are capital V's. We want lowercase dash I. Notice the case. So we got. Oh, okay. So match both upper and lowercase. Okay, so that might be correct. It doesn't tell you that description as well. And we went dash B, so that went shows all the lines that do not match the search string. So we did invert the sense of matching to select non-matching lines. So these descriptions aren't very good in the manual file. So dash N. This is what we wanted here. Suppress normal output instead to print the name of each input file from which output would normally have been printed, scanning each. So it does exist. Suppress normal output. Instead, print the name of each input file from which output would normally have been printed. Suppress normal output, instead print the name of each input file. So it didn't print the name of the input file from which output would have normally been scanned. Okay, so it didn't do that. Maybe we'll try capital L. Okay, so we'll try capital L. So we'll go cat. So cat space fruit space pipe space grep space dash capital L apple. Nope. So cat fruits pipe grep dash L plum. Standard input. So it's not giving us a name, so that's alright. We'll just skip this. So good information here anyway. So we'll just continue on. So what else do I have for you guys? The sort command. So we can sort the contents of a file. So we can use a pipe. So when we have our cat fruits file, it's not in alphabetical order. So we can put it in alphabetical order with the sort command. Can we do that with a pipe? So can we go cat fruits pipe sort? Yes, we can. So we did it with a pipe. So we sorted it with a pipe. We can triple pipe it again to do the more. Or less. We've done that already. So we did a triple pipe example. And you can do more than triple pipes as well. So the sort command has 3 different variations. It probably has more. But we can use sort space dash R to reverse the sorting. So basically alphabetical backwards. We can sort numerically with sort space dash N. And we can sort with case insensitive sorting with sort space dash F. So we can get all those probably with man sort. You can get the different kinds of stuff you want to, like how you want to sort it. There's different types of sorting you can do. Random, numeric, reverse, batch size, all kinds. Excuse me. So there's all kinds of different ways you can sort it. So you can check that out. So we can probably just do an example. So we can go cat fruits space sort -r. So there we go. So we sorted it backwards. And let's just put that back in the alphabetical order. So we'll go cat fruits space pipe sort. And that'll sort it back to our normal order, alphabetical order. So we can sort it. So we sorted it backwards and forwards again. So we used the concept of filtering when we use pipes. So we can so we already did triple pipes. Basically, yeah. So that's pretty much everything. If you're not sure how to pipe something, just try it, and if you want to pipe more things, you can add more than 3 pipes. So there's more than triple pipes. There's probably unlimited numbers of pipes that you can use. And yeah. So we can search for which I believe if we go -v space a, we can get all the fruit, any data in our list that doesn't have a a lowercase a in the string. So we can get, basically, if we go cat fruits pipe grep -v space a. So it's going to get every string in our file, and it's going to tell us, basically out of the data or whatever the database, it'll tell us which strings don't have an a in it, and it'll print those ones. So I printed out everything without a lowercase a. So capital A would still print capital A. We can triple pipe that, so we can go cat. Actually, let's try to quad pipe it. So we'll go cat fruits pipe grep -v a pipe sort pipe less. So it basically did it sorted all those, I guess. So it sorted those. It told us everything without the lowercase a. Sorted it for us and allowed us to scroll as well with the arrow keys. And it just filled the page. It filled the max page with data and didn't do any more. So allowed us to scroll if we had more data. So that's pretty much it. This will probably be the conclusion of Linux and Unix for now. So we will probably continue with Linux and Unix in the future when we get into perhaps some more networking stuff, maybe some other stuff. So we'll probably use it we'll probably be definitely using it in the future, going into more advanced topics, So once again, we'll just do a summary. So pipes help combine two or more commands. A filter in a pipe is an output of one command which serves as input to the next. The grep command can be used to find strings and values in a text document. The sort command sorts out the content of a file alphabetically. Less, pg, and more commands are used for dividing a long file into dividable bits. Or into readable bits. So that is the conclusion of this video. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you guys like the video, you can like and subscribe to the channel if you want. Thanks for supporting the channel, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.